So we are going to learn, this is in lesson 102 in your book, but we are going to learn to simplify equations with the variable on both sides. This is where balancing your equations really comes in. So the first thing we're going to do is simplify, then solve. Right here, simplify both sides and then solve. So on this side, we have 3x minus x plus 5. I'm putting them in order where the variables are together. Then on this side, x minus x plus 17. As you can see, I can use the commutative property of addition and just move around the variables and everything, but make sure you keep the signs with them. So we have 3x minus x, which is 2x plus 5. Then we have x minus x, which is nothing, and 17. Subtract 5 from both sides to make this a 0 and this a 12. And then we have 2x equals 12. Divide by 2 on both sides to equal x equals 6. Okay, so that one didn't really give you, that didn't really show you what you have to do with the variables to take it to the other side. But it is the same concept as balancing any equations. So I like to keep my variables on the left side. It's just easier for me. So in this case, I'm going to first subtract 2x from both sides. We'll make a 0 on that side, so now the variables are over here. Then I get 3x minus 17 equals negative 5. Then I'm going to add 17 to both sides. So I end up, this is 0, and this is going to be positive 12. Let me move this. So then you would have 3x equals 12. Divide both sides by 3, and you end up with x equals 4. So as long as you do it to both sides, then you will be fine. Now we can see the distributive property. We have to do that first before we can simplify this equation. So first we are going to just bring the other parts down. Then 2 times x is 2x. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8 equals 17. So I'm going to add these two to make 5x minus 8 equals 17. And then I am going to combine those. Oh, I already did that. Sorry, guys. And then I'm going to add 8 to both sides. This would make that 0. This would make this 25. And then I'd end up with 5x equals 25. Divide both sides by 5, and you end up with x equals 5. Let me see if there's any more examples. There is not. So you will have further instructions on your assignment. But watch this video first. You can rewind me and watch me as many times as you want. All right. Thanks, guys.